4 things you can do with your bathroom walls. Use wall murals or vinyl wallpaper, waterproof wall panels, tiles or paint. Notice how each of these give you a different feel to the room. These wall claddings are the waterproof panels, just glue it on the wall and it's done. You can choose to mix it with painted walls. You can use different colors or designs. How fast and amazing can your bathroom become? No mess with grouting and tiling, definitely a plus. With tiles you can choose to use 2 or 3 different complementary tile styles for amazing effect. Paint can be used on one wall or half a wall and combined with any of the choices seen before.